Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy Fidelity FXAIX. First, let's understand what FXAIX is. FXAIX is the Fidelity 500 Index Fund, which aims to offer investors exposure to the overall performance of the S&P 500 index. This fund is popular among investors seeking a low-cost way to invest in large-cap U.S. stocks. To begin, you need to create a Fidelity brokerage account if you do not already have one. Visit the Fidelity website and click on the Open an Account button. Fill out the required information, including your name, address, and social security number. You may also need to verify your identity with a government-issued ID. After you set up your account, you will receive a confirmation email. Once your account is set up and ready to go, log into your Fidelity account. Now use the search bar at the top of the page and type in FXAIX. This will bring up the fund details. Here, you can review information about its performance, fees, and investment strategy. When you are ready to purchase, click on the Buy button. Enter the amount you wish to invest and follow the prompts to complete your transaction. Finally, make sure to monitor your investments periodically. Fidelity provides tools and resources to help you track the performance of FXAIX and adjust your investment strategy as necessary. Investing in index funds like FXAIX can be a smart long-term strategy, so stay informed and consider your options as you continue your investing journey. Thank you for watching, and happy investing.